How to create homepage in WordPress with Elementor. In this video, we're going to be talking about Elementor and how you're going to be creating the best looking homepage in your WordPress using this great and free editing software. Okay, so Elementor, if you all don't know, is WordPress's very own editor software. Okay, and it allows you to create these amazing and great looking websites in the easiest way. And we're going to be creating a good looking homepage using Elementor in the easiest way. So to start off with this, first of all, you're going to need a few things for yourself. So first of all, obviously, we're going to need Elementor. And for that, we're going to come over to the plugins section. And in the plugin section, what you're going to do is you're going to search up Elementor for yourself. So once you search up Elementor here, you have Elementor website editor. You're going to go ahead and install this for yourself. It's totally free. And to add it for yourself, it's really amazing. So once you do that, you're going to come over to pages and you're going to click on add new page. So once you click on add new page, that should open the new page editor for you. And in the new page editor, what you can do is first of all, you're going to name that page. Okay, you can name that page according to whatever your requirement is. It could be, your basic, let's say, homepage. I'm gonna give it the title of a homepage for myself. And once we've given it the title for homepage, we're gonna go and start editing it. But before, we're gonna choose the format for the homepage. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it this look. Okay, so you're gonna go over to this look, and I'm gonna come here. And we're going to simply go ahead and call it home page. Okay. Now, once that is done, you're going to go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. And once that is done, this will take us to Elementor's very own editor from where we're going to edit our page. Now, once your Elementor editor has opened up, what you're going to do here is, first of all, you're going to go ahead and make sure that the structure you like is appropriate. Now, in my case, I don't really like the structure, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose a layout for ourselves. Okay. So the layout you want can be a grid. It can be a container. It can be any look that you want to go with. Now that depends on you. That depends on the main frame look you want to go with. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to add things appropriately, and you're going to go with any type of flex box. So let's say I'm going to go with this. Okay, let's go with that. And once we've gone with that, over here you can add different items. So let's say over here I'm going to add an image for myself. So once we've added this image, I'm going to come to choose image over here. And once we come over to choose image, what you can do from this section is you can choose the image you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go with this image right here. Now, once you've chosen the image, what you can do from there is you can add different things like text headings. Okay, so in the text heading section, I'm going to keep the text over here, and you can change whatever text you want. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write in Toyota Supra. Okay, so once this is done, what you can do from here is you can edit the styling of this. So let's say the text color, let's go with a black. Let's go with the typography to, let's change the Roboto font to something that looks more chic. And once you do that, you're going to increase its size as well. So I'm going to go ahead and increase the size. There we go. So once we do that, that looks pretty neat. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the back, and we're going to add another text box. Now in this text box, we're going to do the same. You're going to go ahead and write your details. So let's say I'm going to write something like lorem ipsum, etc. Just some random text. And once you do that, that becomes your main look. Okay. Then below it, you can add in more flex boxes for yourself accordingly. So it could be an image showcase. It could be a showcase for different items that you're portraying in your store. Obviously, that's what a homepage actually affiliates. That's what a homepage goes ahead and shows. So I'm going to go ahead and choose media for this as well. So let's say I'm going to add this image, and we're going to come over here. Over here, we're going to do the same. Add this over here. Go to choose image again. I'm going to add this image. So just like this, you can choose to add as many images as you want. So let me just complete the image section, and once I have completed the image section from there, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how you can add more detailings into this. So let's go ahead and select different widgets. Then once this is done, you're going to scroll down, click on drag widgets. Now here you can not only add flex boxes, but you can also add grids, and these grids will basically allow you to add different widgets inside of them. So let's say I'm gonna write down a text, okay? And this text, we're gonna go ahead and edit it. I'm gonna write, avail your offer right now, okay? We're gonna go ahead with that. And first of all, I'm gonna change the actual styling of the text. I'm gonna centralize it, okay? Let's go with this color over here. And we're gonna go over to the typography. Let's choose the family of the font. Let's go with something a little more serious. Let's go with that. Change the size of the text. And now, right down here is where we're going to add a button, okay? Because once you add a button, that will allow people to be hyperlinked and redirected to the actual page you want them to go to, okay? So once you're over here, you're going to choose the type. So let's go with a warning, okay? Once you do that, you're going to set its, alignment. So once you centralize it, now we have this section over here, okay? And right under it, what you can do is you can leave down a video, okay? It could be a video of the actual car you're portraying, or it could be a video of something that you're trying to show to the audience. So if that works for you, you can edit it accordingly for yourself. But obviously the video section, you're gonna go ahead to the video. So this is your video placeholder, and you can add this video accordingly wherever you want to place it. Align it in the proper sections and align it in proper ways so that it looks fitting into your environment. Now obviously this video is ruining my algorithm, so for that, what will I do? Obviously we're going to go ahead and delete it, okay? So to delete it, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the container box that is holding these videos, and just like that, you're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, from here you can also go with different things like autoplay, mute. You can also choose different sources, and you can also go with the styling of the video accordingly if you want to. So whatever you want, it can all be done differently by yourself. You can also get into the great details, choose the start time, end time, etc. And once you've done that, one final thing that I would like to end things off with is these. So these are basically logos and links. So I'm going to leave those down here. So I'm going to click on drag widgets. I'm going to go with grids, okay? And let's go with 3. So I'm going to add 3 over here. And once we add 3 over here, you can add in your social media, okay? So here are your social icons. So I'm going to add 1 over here, okay? And I'm going to remove all of those. And we're going to go back, come back to social icons. And we're going to add 1 in this section. Then we're going to delete these 2, go back. And then finally, we're going to add 1 on the right side. So once you set all of these things for yourself, you should be good and grand to go. So let's go ahead and actually publish this and view our store. Let's see how it looks now. So once it's published, we're going to go to preview changes. And now that you've come to preview changes, you can see Toyota Supra. There's the images. You can avail your offer. Click over here. It hyperlinks it to a page that whatever page you hyperlink it to. Obviously right now it's hyperlinked to the home page, which it's already on right now. Here's your video, which is absolutely playable, and here are your social icons. So pretty straightforward, pretty standard stuff. And the best part is that the home page starts appearing in your navigation link once you publish it, okay? So just like that, you can go ahead and create a great looking homepage in WordPress with Elementor in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.